One of the coolest things discovered last week is a 1.63 billion year old fossil of a multicellular eukaryotic organism, which is the same type of multicellular organism that we are. That is 70 million years older than the previous widely accepted oldest fossil multicellular eukaryote, which is a mouthful even for me. It's also only 20 million years younger than the oldest fossil evidence of eukaryotes, period. Not all eukaryotes today are multicellular, but the vast majority of multicellular organisms today are eukaryotes, including all plants, all fungi, and all animals. By the way, guess which two of those are more closely related to each other than the third one? A eukaryotic cell keeps its DNA inside a cell nucleus, which is wrapped in a membrane, and for reasons that I don't understand because I'm a dinosaur nerd, that is conducive to evolving the kind of complexity that allows the organism to become multicellular. That's why this paper was so exciting, because the more we learn about the rise of multicellular eukaryotes, the more we will understand about why Earth life looks the way that it looks, and why it has such incredibly complex organisms like me and you and this thing, and the squirrel that's being really cute outside my window right now. Remember how I said the majority of multicellular organisms today are eukaryotes? That's because there are exceptions. Some non-eukaryotes, like cyanobacteria, can also sometimes be multicellular, and these fossils happen to also look a little bit like multicellular cyanobacteria. In order to get to the bottom of this, the researchers shone infrared light through the fossil samples to pick up some incredibly precise details about the shape of their cells, and they were able to confirm that they really were eukaryotes, specifically from the plant branch of the eukaryote family tree as opposed to the animal and fungus branch. Weird thing about this paper though, it is actually not the first time that this organism has been scientifically described. It was also described in 1989, and just nobody paid attention. The authors of the new paper give credit to this paper, and they say they're really not sure why nobody paid attention at the time in 1989, but maybe it had something to do with the fact that this journal is quite difficult to get access to, and they weren't kidding about that. I went looking for this author and this paper, and they are nowhere. I don't even know if Jan is a man or a woman, or if they're still alive. I really hope they're still alive, though, because I hope they get to see that their work on these crazy fossils has been verified and vindicated.